Hey you guys, I'm back. I'm gonna show you how to draw another yokai, and I'll give you a hint. It's the first one Nate ever met. His name is Whisper, and he's one of the Slippery tribe. That's right, that is true. Yeah, that's his true form. Anyways, if you must know, Nate found him in a capsule machine sealed up long ago by a monk who thought he was a threat and sealed him up in a rock. I don't know why though, but over the years he was forgotten by other yokai, but that's why they don't recognize him. Maybe they recognize him when he was his other form of Private Hippocrates, otherwise known as No Nuttin. Anyways, you see, he's Nate's source of knowledge on all yokai, or at least that's what he wants you to believe. Most of the information, it comes from the yokai pad, an electronic device, and he often brings it with him wherever he goes, but he doesn't really want Nate to find out that he's not really a genius, but Nate already knows. Anyways, yeah, that's the drawing. Here, those are his eyes, and I drew his lips. Anyways, here's his teeth. Actually, his smile. Anyways, there we go. Next up, you just gotta draw this part here, and here we go. Here's his other arm here. Here's his hip, and done. Okay, now then, I'll just draw down here. And, okay, here's his head. Next up, you have to draw the, swirly thing on top. Okay, yeah, that's about right. I think I got it right. There we go. Okay, yeah, that's done. Next up, you just draw his hand here, and you just roll all the way down, and down again. And next up, you have to draw his, his ghost tail. And there we go. Or should I say, there we ghost. Because he's white. Yeah, it's a joke. And anyways, that's how you draw a Whisper. Be sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below right here. Hold on a sec. Subscribe. Make sure to smash this button right here. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye.